Animal migration is a fascinating natural phenomenon. Every year, millions of species migrate for survival. Some birds travel thousands of miles to find food. Sea turtles navigate using the Earth's magnetic field. Salmon swim upstream to spawn, overcoming obstacles. Caribou migrate in herds across vast tundras. Monarch butterflies travel thousands of miles south. Insects like locusts can create massive swarms during migration. Migration patterns are influenced by climate and food availability. Understanding migration helps us protect these amazing species.